Can you sleep in your wig? A friend of mine asked me, can you sleep in a wig? Well, we're gonna find out. I'm off to bed and I'm wearing Gabor's Ready for It. So I'd say I'm ready for it. Let's see. See you in the morning. Good morning. Okay, so the answer is yes, you can sleep in your wig. I braided this one just so that it wouldn't be a mess to comb out in the morning. I slept really well, actually, and it's cold here, so it was nice to have the extra thermal protection. So that's your answer. Yes, you can. All right, for my friends who want to sleep in their wigs, you know, there's a lot of reasons why you might want to sleep in a wig, but I tried it and it works. So then you can just, I don't know how you feel about the braids, you can just take them out. So I know lots of girls who sleep in braids with their regular hair. So this would be what it looks like as you get up to go make coffee, right? Have a great day.